This unit is our test bed machine, and we use it for testing out all our electronics and the various pieces of equipment that we have. It's a scale model of an underground load haul dump machine, which they call an LHD. The machine has cameras at either end, here and here, a bucket for digging the material, which are run by mechanical and electric actuators for lifting and digging, and then another one for steering that turns the whole machine. This particular unit runs off of a Wi-Fi network, which there's the base station and the antennas that are all linked through the electronics on the machine to the cameras. The blue cylinder is hydrogen that links into a hydrogen fuel cell. We wanted to get away and try a hydrogen fuel cell for a power plant instead of the battery power plants that we had for the machines typically. The Wi-Fi system that we have in place allows us to get the two video cameras simultaneously and be able to operate the machine from our teleoperation workstations. So the kinds of applications that this robot can be used for are basically to work in hazardous environments where you don't want to put people. So some examples are in mining, some in sewer tunnels, and ultimately in difficult hazardous situations like space. These kinds of robots allow the operator to emulate being inside the robot like most people would run a car today, except they don't have to be on the inside of the machine. The workstation that you see behind me, that is a control center for running this kind of robot. This happens to be for two operators to be doing this kind of work, where we'd have two machines linked in through the network. They would sit in the comfort of these kind of chairs and run these kind of robots in the field.